little face. You gotta play the cards down to never fall. And when you set your goals, go for the goal. When you're losing on ground, grab a tight hold. So when it comes time to go, you're ready for the show. Let's go, let's go.
There we go. First time in, well, feels like 3 or 4 years since these speakers have worked in this travel trailer. Stopped by the stereo shop and got a Kenwood DVD AM FM radio. Yeah, so there we go. I'm Dead Wolf. I'm out, and we'll have this kind of fun on the next one. Yeah. And of course, it'll spin CDs and all that good stuff. So, sound system in the tiny house is back up and running. There we go. All right. Thanks for being here, everyone.